Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to find your Savefile folder in Alchemy Factory. First, open the Options menu. From there, hit the Open Save Directory button. This will open your Save Games folder on your computer. As you can see, here is my test game file. And here are all the saves in that game file. If I could, for example, I could modify those. I could swap them out or copy them to back them up. Do whatever you like. Once you're done, simply close this window. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.